Welcome, nature enthusiasts. Today, we embark on a journey through the wonders of the animal kingdom, the secrets of plants, the marvels of birds, and the mysteries beneath the waves. So prepare yourself to be amazed as we reveal fun facts about the incredible diversity of life on our planet. Our first stop is the ocean, home to an incredible creature, the octopus. Did you know that these fascinating beings boast not one, not two, but 3 hearts? And wait for it, their blood is a striking shade of blue. Nature's wonders never cease to amaze. Have you ever wondered why clownfish fearlessly dance among sea anemones? They're immune to their stings, a partnership defying the odds. And in the world of fish, surprises abound. Some fish possess the remarkable ability to change their gender during their lifetime, a testament to the extraordinary adaptability of life beneath the waves. Now, let's buzz over to the world of bees. Did you know that honeybees are not just diligent pollinators? They're also expert detectives. These tiny marvels can recognize human faces. Imagine being on a bee's most wanted list. Now, let's take flight into the avian wonders. Hummingbirds, the tiny acrobats of the sky, hold a unique title. They are the only birds capable of flying backward. A mesmerizing aerial dance that defies gravity. Venturing into the plant kingdom, did you know that the world's largest living organism is not an ancient tree, but a fungus? Hidden beneath the soil in Oregon, this colossal fungus stretches for miles. Nature, truly a master of grand designs. And speaking of designs, meet the Titan arum plant. Its claim to fame, producing the world's smelliest flower. A true botanical rock star, but perhaps not one for the faint of nose. And from the plants to the icy realms, did you know penguins, despite their waddling walk, are exceptional jumpers? These tuxedoed birds can leap up to 6 feet in the air, quite the airborne spectacle. And there you have it, a glimpse into the incredible diversity of our planet's inhabitants. Join us next time as we continue our exploration of the awe-inspiring world of nature. Until then, stay curious and keep exploring. Please like, add a comment, subscribe, follow, and share our social media content with your friends and family. Thanks for watching.